Kingston Resources is a mining company increasing the gold output at its Mineral Hill mine located in the revered Cobar Basin of New South Wales. It's also advancing its 3.8 million ounce Misima gold project in Papua New Guinea towards production. Ahead of appearing at the Stocks on Track conference in Sydney, Kingston Resources Managing Director Andrew Corbett joins us on the Stock Network. Andrew, welcome to TSN.
Thank you, and thanks for having me. It's great to be here.
Great to have you on. Now, let's look at the gold price. It's currently trading at record highs, and Kingston Resources has been ramping up production at Mineral Hill. How has this impacted the company's financial performance in the most recent quarter?
It's actually been great to be ramping up or recommissioning a project with a positive momentum in the commodity price, a tailwind, which doesn't always happen, right? You see a lot of these projects come online, like in lithium projects coming on when the lithium price is down. So for us, we're very lucky, and I feel very privileged to be, experiencing this gold price. So we sell in Aussie dollars. Last quarter, we sold at $44,100 an ounce. We generated a margin of $1,300 an ounce in our first quarter of production, and we're still ramping up. So it's been a huge help for us. And what people should be thinking about is next quarter, quarter-on-quarter improvement, increases in production, lower costs, and the gold price is even higher. We're selling today at $4,500 an ounce. So should be looking for margin expansion as we drive production up.
Excellent. Now, you recently also announced a maiden ore reserve for the underground resource at Mineral Hill. How much longer do you think we can expect to see the mine in operation? And could you also be producing other metals besides from gold?
Mineral Hill has a 15-year history of underground mining, and it's always produced copper, lead, zinc, silver, gold. So by the middle of 2026, we will be in the underground producing predominantly copper gold. So it's sort of 40% gold and 40% copper. So that's the two high revenue metals, which is fantastic. And we've currently got about 5 years in the underground. I'm very confident, based on the history of, there's been 6 ore bodies that are mined. All of them are still open. We're going back into one of them initially, and we've already got 5 years there. I expect we're going to materially increase the mine life and lift production.
That's all sounding very positive. And on further upside, the company recently wrapped up a successful capital raise, also launched an exploration drilling campaign at Mineral Hill. Can you tell us about what you believe could be the potential of this project?
Yeah, look, so we're currently running at about 360,000 tonnes per annum through the plant. We're approved to double that to 700,000 tonnes per annum. So the drilling, and why we raised the money, is to drill. We've been very, very focused on production, cash flow, generating a return for shareholders. But now it's time to actually get the drill rigs going. One drill rig is starting this month in February, underground already. It will be focused on extending the underground, proving up more of the underground, and more importantly, following up on a hole that we drilled in 2023, which was 12 metres at 3.5% copper equivalent. We think we're onto something new in the underground already. So that's what people should be looking for. Initially, an underground drilling campaign, and then in time, we're going to get onto these exploration targets, which are in our ELs. We've got people drilling holes to the north. We've got people drilling holes to the south. Everyone's hitting stuff, and we're right in the middle with this mining, currently gold, mining soon to be mining copper and gold. And we've already had 6 ore bodies mined. So we're very confident this is going to keep growing.
Andrew, it's great to hear your confidence and also hear how busy you are at Kingston Resources, and look forward to seeing you in person at the Stocks on Track conference.
Thanks so much for your time. Appreciate it.